In this part, we'll focus on turning on the stock level and price synchronizations. Before you turn on synchronization of stocks and prices, you have to link all of your products with auctions, items in your store, or a wholesaler. Without these associations, the synchronizations will not work. To recap, first we connect. Then, at the very end, once stock levels have been checked, we turn on the synchronizations. To turn on synchronizations, you must go to the Integrations tab. Remember that each synchronization needs to be turned on separately for each individual eBay account, each shop, each wholesaler. To turn on a synchronization in a chosen Amazon account, you need to go into that account, then go into Prices tab, and select the frequency of the synchronization. The free option synchronizes every 24 hours. If you want to synchronize and send prices to Amazon every 12 hours, you will have to pay extra, similarly as for every 4 hours or every 5 minutes. After selecting the desired option, we need to decide what should happen if the price of the product falls down to 0. We can finish the offer, or we can do nothing. What should happen if the price in the warehouse is lower than that on Amazon? We can decrease the price to offer, or again do nothing. What if the price is higher? We can increase the price, or we can do nothing. A mandatory field is the daily limit of finished offers which will be finished. It can be 100 or, for example, 1,000. In this part of the synchronization, we can also round the prices down or up however we want to. Once we select all the options, we click Save. Then we go to the Stock tab, and here we select the frequency of synchronization of stock levels. Doing it every 8 hours is the free option. To sync every hour and every 5 minutes, you'll need to pay extra. If stock levels on our warehouse drop to 0, we can finish such an offer. We can change the quantity of an offer to 1, or we can do nothing. What should happen if the quantity in the warehouse is lower? We don't have to do anything, or we can decrease the available quantity. And if the quantity is greater, we can increase it or yet again do nothing. As mandatory, we need to set the daily limit of finished offers. Just like it was with price synchronizations, it can be 100, 1,000, or any other number. We insert the maximum quantity. Then, if we want to, we can also choose an option to finish the listing when the stock quantity falls to, for example, 10 units. We save our changes. We have to set up every synchronization of prices and stocks separately on each Amazon account, on each eBay account, and on any other marketplace account under the Prices and Stock tabs. The same goes for wholesalers in Prices and Stock tabs. We need to turn on the stock and price synchronization for every online store too. When it comes to shops, the price and stock level synchronization can be sent from BaseLinker to the shop or from the shop to BaseLinker. Here, of course, the offers need to be linked as well. Products need to be linked to the products in the stores, but here we have 2 options. So we can send updates in 2 directions. Regardless which option we select, we still need to choose the frequency and potentially if we want to round the prices. And when it comes to stock levels, we select the source warehouse. We can also collate stock levels from several warehouses, and this works if we're sending these stock levels from BaseLinker to the stores. If we're doing it the other way around, then the only option we need to choose is the frequency of synchronization. Always remember, before turning a synchronization on, to check here for any notifications. Because as you can see here in our example, synchronization cannot be turned on if reservations and storage documents are enabled. Remember, when syncing from the store to BaseLinker, the stock reservation has to be disabled. However, when it comes to synchronizing using an ERP system, you would set it up directly in the integrator. So, directly in the software which connects the ERP integration with your BaseLinker account. If, on the other hand, you receive stock level updates from another BaseLinker Connect account, then here, if you're the receiver, you are the receiving account. Then, in the Integrations tab, you have separate tabs for synchronizing prices and synchronizing stocks. Of course, here, like everywhere else, these products also have to be linked, but we link them with the BaseLinker Connect account. Remember, BaseLinker Connect shows up as another standard warehouse, so we can connect products in our warehouse with that account.